It's some wet, damp pavement out there, but some's just wanting to have a drop. This is our best rain chance, but it's not doing a lot.
It is not. Some more than others out there, but we talked about that yesterday, that this wouldn't be one size fits all for everybody, and that's what's happening right now.
Now, tomorrow's system, that's going to be one thing that we all get, and that is going to be cooler weather as temperatures will drop throughout the day.
Yeah, but right now we've got some scattered showers in Nashville and across the Mid-South. There's actually a little brief shower moving through parts of downtown at the moment. So far out at Nashville International, their 24-hour rainfall total on this map, this graphic updates every hour with the latest information from the immediate past 24 hours. So since 5 o'clock yesterday morning and really through the morning hours, 0.01 at Nashville International. Nothing though at Tune Airport on the other side of town. Clarksville, Outlaw Field, you've seen just under a half an inch. 0.02 out of Dixon, just under a half an inch in Hopkinsville. Nothing out of Lawrenceburg, and nothing to move the rain gauge at from Murfreesboro, 0.05 in the immediate past 24 hours. Despite the cloud cover and the rain, it's a mild morning. The temperature is right now in the 60s, so a little warmer than we were at this time yesterday. Our camera down at the Acme Feed and Seed showing some wet streets on Broadway 67. Here at the station and at downtown, 0.01, and that rain gauge in the last hour or so. So for today, cold front number 1 is moving through, bringing scattered showers, mainly scattered showers, but an isolated storm not out of the question. Front number 2 later tonight and tomorrow, with that much colder air moving in. Behind it, highs around 50 Thursday, Friday, and then going into the weekend, widespread frost possibility on Saturday morning and again on Sunday morning. But there is that temperature trend over the next couple of days across the Mid-South. So here is our morning weather map. There is front number 1 ahead of it. We've got the showers that are taking place. There is front number 2. Now notice, not much rain. It might squeeze out a shower in the morning, but no big deal with any of that. There's a closer view of some of those showers across the mid-state. And again, we've had a few little showers move through parts of downtown. Some of those showers extend back over to our west for us at this point, and then a little heavier rain as you get down and east of Chattanooga this morning, Nikki D.
And we're even seeing a little bit of rain being picked up thanks to Sky 5. They are up and live this morning. You can see a few of those sprinkles on the camera lens as they are headed up and at it. Not seeing any intense rainfall, hence why they were able to get up, and the winds obviously good enough for them to take flight. But you can also tell just by looking down at the ground where we do have a little bit of that glare and glisten thanks to some damp pavement. Now, rain chances for today, when you glance at this, you go, okay, it's a washout. We're going to have rain all day. We're going to have buckets falling. Well, we don't want you to be deceived. Just because we've got chances doesn't mean that equals inches of rain. Over the next several hours and even going throughout tomorrow, remember tomorrow's not a rainmaker, it's a temperature changer outside of an isolated shower or two. We're only looking to add around 1/10 to around less than a half an inch on top of what we already have received. So yes, there will be times today that's going to be wet, but it's not a washout. And here's what we anticipate it to look like. We'll actually have a little bit of clearing to our far north and west as we go throughout this afternoon. You'll have even some sunshine over in parts of Hopkinsville, going into Dover, going also to our friends just into Bumpus Mills. Things are looking bright for you, even into Paris. The rest of us, we do have some isolated showers that will be trying to take shape, but they're not looking to be too promising nor too much of a third quench for us. Now, fast forward though into tomorrow. That's when that second system moves through, and as it does, temperatures will slowly drop as we go throughout the day. The kicker is the wind that's going to be with us, and that's going to bring that extra punch of cold air. So for today, you'll notice 71 degrees for our high. It's still going to be very warm, not as warm though as yesterday. Winds will be gusting throughout the morning, and then by this afternoon, they're really going to start to subside, even coming quite calm at times. Tomorrow, technically, that high is going to be around 58. We look for that to take place closer to the midnight hour. And then as we go throughout the day, temperatures will slowly be on the decrease. But it's Thursday that brings the highest chill, 51 degrees for your afternoon. But it's going to feel like we are in the upper 30s and 40s because winds will be so gusty. And Leland, the coldest day, though, is going to be Friday.
Yeah, so as we head into Friday, again, most of the afternoon in the 40s, but we'll break right around 50. Because of the winds, we won't see much in the way of frost Friday morning, but then as winds die down, widespread frost possibility Saturday morning and Sunday morning.